A viral video of an SUV dangerously counterflowing on the Skyway prompts action from the Land Transportation Office. Our mobility correspondent, G. Baroga, has the details.
The registered owner of the Hyundai Kona that was caught on camera counterflowing on the Skyway over the weekend appears before the LTO. According to LTO Executive Director Greg Pua, the owner claims he hasn't had the vehicle since July 2021. He even presents documents showing the car is already with the bank.
Ipapa-showcase din namin ng East West Bank kasi sila ang binanggit na pinag-surrenderan nitong may registered owner nung sasakyan.
Pua clarifies that the car wasn't sold but might have been used as a collateral for a loan that wasn't paid. There's also a chance the bank sold it but the transfer of ownership wasn't processed.
Ito yung iniiwasan po natin na ini-encourage din natin yung mga nagbenta ng sasakyan na i-report sa LTO or i-process nyo na po yung transfer. Dahil kapag may mga ganitong insidente po, ay kayo ang ipapatawag ng LTO.
As for the owner's liability on the incident, that will depend on East West Bank's explanation. Meanwhile, the driver, identified as Jake Nazareno, did not show up at the preliminary hearing. Because of that, the LTO plans to resolve the case this week based on the evidence already on hand. Prior to this, Transport Chief Vince Dizon has ordered the perpetual revocation of Nazareno's driver's license.
Yung perpetual disqualifications and revocations is on the table sa mga ganitong klaseng violation po. Lalo po nito, napakadelikado po nung ginawa nung driver na ito.
Pua adds that the driver first got his license in 2013, but upon renewal, it's only valid for 5 years, a sign this isn't his first traffic violation. LTO also reminds motorists, every time you start your engine, make it a commitment to drive safely, to drive responsibly, to save lives. For BNC Mobility, G. Baroga.